Alright guys, I'm back with another vlog. I'm just chilling with the dogs today. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. It's a nice day today. I already got my decorations for that. Look at my other decorations that I did. Did all these for Christmas coming up. It's a beautiful day today. Beautiful day. There's one trick that this dog really likes. He likes rocks, because I always throw rocks. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Look, boy, look. He always likes the rocks. And there's another thing he does too. Come on, boy. Come here. He likes to go up on the car. Good boy. Good boy. He always likes to go up on the rocks. Good boy. Good boy. Down. Get down. Have to get you a rock. You want this rock? Huh? We have to come. Get it! I'm gonna go show you the babies right now, guys. Guys know she has babies. Look at them. They're cuddling and they're walking. No, not walking, they're cuddling. This is so cute. Look at this, guys. Look at this. They're so cute. Look at this one, looking for milk. I don't know if she needs to use the restroom or not. Because she was standing earlier. Hey, why are you smashing that? Oh my god. Look at them. They're always fighting over milk. Well, these already woke up already. They know when it's milk time. She's like, I don't want no more milk. Look. Look at the doggos. Little puppies. Oh. We're keeping one of these, but we're not keeping all of them, guys. We're just keeping one. The one that we're gonna keep is probably this one. This one we're probably gonna keep. The rest, we're going on sale. What, Mama's what? What? Back outside with my dogs. He's waiting for another rock. He knows. He knows every time I pick up a rock, he goes for me. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? Ah, he's scared. He doesn't like being on camera. You can tell he doesn't. Look at him. Shut up. And look at them. What, boy? What? They're always rivals with this little pug. I don't know if you can see it, but there it goes. Look at that. Look at that pug. They're always fighting with it. They're rivals. Look at them. Look at that pug. Look at that pug. Look at him. He doesn't like him. Look at this pie. Yeah. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this vlog. Just wanted to show you that because I just wanted to vlog my pets and all that stuff. Like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video, and I'll see you on the next vid. Peace out.